Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Ola. I am 21. I am a very open person, responsible, punctual girl who loves to travel and play to sport. I am a student at the National Medical University in Ukraine. I won't go to Germany for summer job to earn a little money for university, make new friends and see Germany. Last summer I worked at Germany near Hanover, collecting blueberry farm life. I can walk 2 months every day, and if necessary, more than 8 hours per day. If you any questions for me, I will be very happy to answer in a personal conversation on phone. I am sure if you choose me, you will be happy with my work. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.